Tawagin na natin ating stewardess.
Ay!
Uy, bago uniform. Zaida.
Bagong configuration. Parang aeroplano.
Oo. Kanya lang, flat na yung ano mo, hindi mo pinapalitan ah.
Okay.
What's this? What's this?
Happy New Year.
Oh, yes,
Happy New Year.
sir. As you can see, I have 2 bowls here. Why kaya?
Why?
You have 2 bowls?
Why you have
Wow.
2 bowls? Well, because... Oh, well, you know,
Maybe because it's 11.
1 bowl
Double.
One bowl.
It's Pompiang.
plus 1 bowl
2
equals 2 bowls.
Oh, bunot. Okay.
Is that correct?
Correct.
So why do you have 2 bowls?
Yes.
I prepared Tito Joey's favorite sung-song
Uy, and?
and your favorite green peas and cornic.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. This is my
Nice.
favorite.
Is your cornic maalat?
Okay.
It's maalat. Tama lang.
Oh, I like your mani.
Sakto lang.
Very nice.
You like the mani, sung-sung?
I like your mani. Is this new, your mani?
Is your, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it clean?
Is it...
It's clean. I washed it.
Wow.
Yeah,
I
so
like
you
it.
washed.
Hoy, si Carmen, pare.
And you know,
Yan, binastos. Hindi nagbago. Bastos pa rin. Okay.
si Carmen Mesa maagto maning tungtung. Oh yeah, I love your earrings.
Of course. That's the latest from Pag-asa. Okay. Hey, you taste the mani.
Mani, yeah, I'll make tira the mani later, huh?
You make tira di mani.